Hi everyone, I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete in 1 minute the domain which is added to the hostinger. So let's get started. So after login you will see your hedge panel which is showing here hedgepanelhostinger.com. So you will come on this page and then you just need to find your website. So I will click on website and then I will start looking for the domain which I need to remove. So which is this one. In previous video I showed you how we can remove our hosting, and now you are going to remove the domain from the same hosting. So once you are on this domain you will see there three dots. Click on it and then delete. After delete you need to just check up on this page because you are going to confirm and press delete, and it's all done. So I hope that you have learned how quickly you can remove your domain from the same hostinger. Thank you very much for your watching, and share this video if you liked, and subscribe my channel if you like this video. I will appreciate. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.